Good morning, students. This class we are going to learn about laws of radicals. Listen, laws of radicals. For a positive integer m comma n and positive rational numbers a and b. Positive integers m and n and positive rational numbers a and b. See the following properties of radicals. The radical notation, first one is n root a the whole power n. Nth root a the whole power n is equal to a, or we can write nth root a power n. Nth root a the whole power n is equal to nth root a power n. And index notation is a power 1 by n the whole power n is a, or we can write a power n the whole power 1 by n. Change the index and write a power n the whole power 1 by n. Second one is nth root a into nth root b is equal to nth root ab. Index notation is a power 1 by n into b power 1 by a power 1 by n into b power 1 by n is equal to ab the whole power 1 by n, because the order of the number same, so we can write ab the whole power 1 by n. And third condition is mth root nth root a. Mth root and nth root a is equal to mn root a. Mnth root a, or we can write nth root of mth root a. Nth root of nth root a. And index notation is a power 1 by n the whole power 1 by m is equal to a power 1 by mn, or we can write a power 1 by m the whole power 1 by n. And the fourth point is nth root a by nth root b is equal to nth root of a by b, because index are equal or same, so we can write nth root of a by b. And index notation is a power 1 by n by b power 1 by n is equal to a by b the whole power 1 by n. A power 1 by n by b power 1 by n is equal to a by b the whole power 1 by n. The next question, example 2.21. Express each of the following source in its simplest form. First one, cubic root of 108. Second one is cubic root of 1024 the whole power minus 2. Cubic root of 1024 the whole power minus 2. And find its order, radicand and coefficients. First you write the simplest form of the surd. After we write order, radicand and coefficients. Okay, very easy question. Cubic root of 108 is, write the factor of 108. We use the LCM method. 108 is divisible by 2. We get the steps. So the factor of 108 is 3 into 3 into 3 into 2 into 2. But the order of the surd is 3. Order of the surd is 3. So we can take the number 3 times having inside, with outside it is take only one number. So here having 3 times 3, so we take one number outside. Remaining this number is only 2 times, so you don't take the number outside. So 2 into 2 is 4. So 3 into cubic root of 4. So you write the order, radicand and coefficient. Order is, the index is the order 3. And the radicand is root inside value is radicand. And the coefficient is nearest the surd is the coefficient. So 3 is the coefficient. So answer is order 3, radicand 4 and coefficient 3. Second part, cubic root of 1024 the whole power minus 2. So cubic root of, we can write 1024, the LCM part is 2 power 10. 2 power 10 the whole power minus 2. Here cubic root is 3 times any numbers having inside of the square root you take outside. Okay, here 2 10 times, 2 10 times having, so we take outside 3 2's, because 2 power 9, 2 cube is 1 2 outside, another one 2 cube is 2 outside, another one 2 cube is, we take 2 outside. Balance only 1 2 having in the root inside. So cubic root of 2 here minus 2, we use this property, nth root a power m is equal to nth root a the whole power m.
So the whole power minus 2, right? So 2 into 2 into 2 is 8. 8 into cubic root 2 the whole power minus 2. So this is the inverse form. Inverse form write in the fraction form. 1 by 8 into cubic root 2 the whole square. Okay, write the inverse form. So 8 square is 64 and cubic root 2 the whole square is cubic root 2 square. We take square power inside. So cubic root 2 square. Then 1 by 64 into cubic root of 2 square is, so 2 square is 4. So 64 into cubic root of 4. So 1 by 64 into, write in the fraction form, cubic root of 1 by 4. So the coefficient is 1 by 64 and the order is 3. Radicand is 1 by 4. Okay, order is 3 and the coefficient is 1 by 64 and the radicand is 1 by 4.
Next heading is 4 basic operations on surds. 4 basic operation on surds. First type is addition and subtraction of surds. Like surds can be added and subtracted using the rule a into nth root of b plus or minus c into nth root of b is equal to a plus c, that is a plus or minus c into nth root of b. Okay, we take plus or minus. So a into nth root of b plus or minus c into nth root of b is equal to a plus or minus c into nth root of b. We take the common surd is outside. So a plus or minus c into nth root of b. Next we see multiplication and division of surds. Multiplication property of surd is nth root a into nth root b is equal to nth root of ab, because the orders are same. So we can write nth root of a into b. Root inside, we find out the product of the term a and b. And the second one is a into nth root of b into c into nth root of d is equal to ac into nth root of bd. Find out the radicand value. Product is right inside of the root and multiply the coefficient a and c is outside. So b and d values are greater than 0. Next is the division property of surds. Division property is nth root a by nth root b is equal to nth root of a by b. And the last property is a into nth root of b by c into nth root of d is equal to, we divide the coefficient a and c, so a by c into nth root of that root inside, you divide the radicand b by d. B and d are greater than 0. These are the properties of surds. Next, basic operations on surds problems I will explain tomorrow. Thank you, students.